Have you ever stepped into someone's home and instantly felt a wave of warmth, comfort, and effortless cleanliness? Some homes seem to radiate peace and order, as if they magically stay fresh and welcoming without endless hours of scrubbing and organizing. But here's the real secret. Seniors who maintain consistently spotless homes aren't relying on frantic deep cleaning marathons. Instead, they follow a few simple, powerful daily habits that make their spaces feel naturally maintained. In this video, we're going to explore 6 small yet mighty habits that seniors with beautifully clean homes practice every single day. These aren't complicated routines or exhausting chores. They are tiny, thoughtful actions that, when done consistently, create a home that feels serene, organized, and deeply cared for. And the best part? Once you weave these habits into your everyday life, keeping your home in perfect shape will feel almost effortless, like second nature. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal one simple, often overlooked habit that can immediately transform the way your home feels, without adding a single extra burden to your busy day. It's something so simple yet so powerful that most people miss it entirely. Before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos that can make your life easier and brighter. Also, if you find this video helpful, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0 so I can continue improving and bringing you even better content. Now, let's get started. Habit number 1, they never leave a room empty-handed. One of the most effortless yet effective habits that keeps a home feeling perpetually tidy has nothing to do with scrubbing floors or dusting shelves. It's about moving through your day with a little more intention. Seniors who maintain clean, organized homes live by one golden rule: never leave a room empty-handed. Picture this. You're enjoying a quiet afternoon in the living room, sipping tea and flipping through a magazine. When you're ready to move to another room, instead of leaving the cup on the coffee table or tossing the magazine onto the couch, you simply take it with you. Heading to the kitchen? Bring the cup to the sink. Passing by the bookshelf? Slide the magazine back where it belongs. This habit sounds almost too simple to matter, but that's exactly the point. It is simple, and that's why it's so powerful. It prevents clutter from ever having the chance to settle and grow into something overwhelming. Small actions, taken consistently, ensure that items are always migrating back to their rightful places with minimal effort. Take Alice, a 72-year-old who is known for having a home that's always neat and welcoming. When asked how she does it, she just laughs and says, "I put things away as I go." She doesn't wait for a big cleaning session at the end of the week. She handles little messes the moment they happen. And because of this, her home never spirals into chaos. It stays calm and orderly without draining her time and energy. For seniors especially, this approach is a game changer. Instead of exhausting yourself with long cleaning marathons, you handle small tasks in the natural flow of your day, saving your energy for the things that truly matter. Over time, this simple habit creates a home that feels cared for, loved, and peaceful, all without feeling like you're constantly tidying up. Habit number 2. They follow the 2-minute rule. Seniors with spotless homes understand a powerful truth. Small messes handled immediately prevent big problems later. That's why many of them live by what's known as the 2-minute rule. Here's how it works. If a task will take 2 minutes or less, they do it right away. Imagine this. You walk in from outside and toss your jacket over the back of a chair. No big deal, right? But then your shoes are left by the door, your bag gets dropped on the floor, and a few unopened letters sit forgotten on the counter. Before you know it, small messes have snowballed into a cluttered disaster that feels overwhelming to clean. Seniors who maintain spotless homes do it differently. They take a few seconds to hang up the coat, to place the shoes neatly by the door, to toss junk mail straight into the recycling bin. Washing a dish immediately after using it takes less than a minute. Wiping down the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth. Maybe 30 seconds. Tiny tasks handled in the moment prevent big cleanups later. Take Frank, a 75-year-old with a home that always looks company-ready. His secret? "I just don't let things sit," he says. If he uses a plate, he rinses it. If he sees dust, he wipes it away. Nothing is left to pile up. Nothing is left to become an overwhelming project. The true beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it clears not only your physical space, but your mental space as well. When you eliminate small tasks immediately, they don't linger in the back of your mind, stealing your peace. You feel lighter, calmer, and more in control of your environment. If you're already practicing the 2-minute rule, or if you're ready to give it a try, let me know by commenting number 2 below. Your engagement helps me continue creating content that supports and uplifts you. Habit number 3, they reset their home before bed. Seniors who maintain effortlessly clean homes don't wake up to chaos. Instead, they practice one final, powerful habit at the end of each day. They do a simple nightly reset. Think about how energizing it feels to wake up to a spotless kitchen, a clutter-free living room, and an inviting space to begin your day. Now, think about how heavy it feels to open your eyes to yesterday's dishes, scattered papers, and general disarray. One experience fills you with energy. The other drains you before your day even begins. The seniors with the cleanest homes spend just 5 to 10 minutes each night resetting their space. They might wipe down the counters, fluff the pillows, clear the sink, and return any stray items to their proper places. These aren't massive efforts. They're small, consistent touches that make a huge difference. Linda, a vibrant 68-year-old, swears by this ritual. Every night before bed, she strolls through her home, straightening as she goes. She makes sure everything is in its place, giving herself the gift of a calm, fresh start every single morning. The beauty of this habit isn't in achieving perfection. It's about preparing a kinder, gentler tomorrow for yourself. It's about honoring your future self with a small act of love that says, "You deserve to wake up in peace." When you take a few minutes each night to reset your home, you wake up feeling lighter, more organized, and more ready to face the day with positivity and clarity. Habit number 4, they prioritize the spaces they use the most. Seniors with effortlessly clean homes understand a key principle. It's not about making every corner perfect. It's about keeping the areas they use the most clear, inviting, and peaceful. Instead of stressing over spotless closets or perfectly organized guest rooms, they focus their energy where it matters most, the spaces that set the tone for the entire home. Think about it. When you walk into a house, what grabs your attention first? It's not the inside of a drawer or a rarely used spare room. It's the kitchen countertops, the living room, and the main walkways. These are the heart of the home, and when they are clean and clutter-free, the whole house feels fresh and organized, even if there's a little mess hidden elsewhere. That's why seniors who maintain tidy homes don't chase perfection. They wisely focus on just a few high-impact areas. Kitchen counters stay wiped down because a clean kitchen makes preparing meals more enjoyable. Entryways stay clear because walking into a tidy home immediately soothes the mind. Living rooms are straightened daily because that's where family gathers, where memories are made. Take Barbara, a spirited 74-year-old. People often ask how her home always looks so neat. She smiles and says, "I don't clean every room every day. I just keep my main spaces under control." Every morning, she makes sure her kitchen counters are clean, her living room surfaces are tidy, and her main walkways are free from clutter. She doesn't obsess over every drawer or every closet. She focuses where it matters, and it shows. This small shift in focus creates an enormous payoff. Even if an unmade bed hides behind a closed door or a laundry basket waits in the corner, the home feels organized and welcoming. It's a smart, strategic habit that makes daily upkeep feel easy and keeps stress levels low. If this is something you already do, or if you're planning to start focusing on key areas, let me know by commenting number 4 below. Your engagement helps this community grow stronger. Habit number 5. They embrace daily maintenance, not deep cleaning. Another important habit is that seniors who maintain tidy homes don't wait for things to spiral out of control before acting. They don't spend entire weekends deep cleaning either. Instead, they embrace daily maintenance, small, consistent actions that prevent messes from ever becoming overwhelming. They make it a point to wipe down kitchen surfaces after cooking, fold laundry right after it's dried, and take just a few minutes each day to sweep or tidy up. These small daily rituals make cleaning feel effortless because the clutter never has a chance to pile up. Take Jane, a 68-year-old who has perfected this approach. Every evening, she spends about 15 minutes tidying her kitchen and living spaces. She puts away any dishes, fluffs the couch cushions, and does a quick sweep of the floors. These small actions mean her home is always ready to welcome a new day without stress. The beauty of daily maintenance is that it turns cleaning into a seamless part of life, rather than a dreaded task. Instead of setting aside hours for exhausting deep cleaning sprees, you stay ahead of the mess with minimal effort. Habit number 6. They involve everyone in the household. A truly clean home isn't maintained by just one person. It's a team effort. Seniors with effortlessly tidy homes often share responsibility with everyone living in the house. They don't carry the entire burden themselves. Instead, they create an environment where every family member plays a role. Whether it's a spouse, grown children, or even visiting friends, everyone is expected to contribute to keeping the home in order. Each person tidies their own space, washes their own dishes, and folds their own laundry. These small shared routines lighten the load and make cleaning feel less like a chore and more like a natural part of daily living. Take George, a vibrant 75-year-old who lives with his wife and adult children. Every evening, they have a 10-minute family cleanup where everyone puts away their things, wipes down surfaces, and tidies up the common areas. This simple practice keeps their home clean and creates a stronger sense of community and care among them. When everyone feels ownership over the space, maintaining cleanliness becomes easy, even joyful. It's not about assigning chores. It's about building pride and respect for the home they share. If you already involve your household in daily maintenance, or if you plan to start this habit, let me know by commenting number 6 below. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. There's no hidden secret to a clean home. It's not about endless cleaning sessions or perfection in every corner. It's about simple, intentional habits practiced every single day. By focusing on small actions, putting things away as you go, handling 2-minute tasks immediately, resetting the home before bed, prioritizing key spaces, embracing daily maintenance, and involving the whole household, seniors create homes that feel calm, welcoming, and truly lived in. These habits don't just keep the clutter away. They create a space where peace, joy, and pride naturally grow. If you've already tried some of these habits, or if you plan to start, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below sharing your experiences or which habit you're most excited to try. Your engagement encourages us to keep creating helpful, inspiring content that makes your life a little brighter every day. Thank you for spending time with me today. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might need a little inspiration for their home too. See you in the next video.